Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. I guess I'm at a point now where I can recommend this Intex swimming pool filter. I'm going to do a review on it, but it's proven itself real well. But the point of this video is to do a follow-up on a little experiment I was doing. It's about the cartridge filter that goes into this Intex C1000 little tiny water filter for above ground swimming pools. I'm exceeding all engineering expectations out of this little pump here. But the cartridge filter, last time we talked about this topic, I had one brand new filter remaining, and I've been continuously using it with landscaping fabric wrapped around it and 2 rubber bands. Let me get my landscaping fabric here. It's that stuff. But if we compare to some previously used filters, we'll do side by side. Here's 2 that were used without any kind of pre-filtration at all. There's this one. Compared to these. This one's still looking pretty damn brand new. And these guys, now this one's a little damp because I just washed it. They're still usable. There's plenty of light showing through. Yeah, you can see the light. But by comparison, it's much different. So let me show you, just in case you guys haven't been keeping up. This is one that's in pretty damn good shape, so I'm going to be using it next. I'll wrap this fabric around and show you what I got. Okay, I'm back. I got the fabric wrapped on. Again, that's just plain old landscaping fabric. We're going to go one-handed and put this thing in, and I'm going to also get to show you my little backwash feature that kept on failing on me because I haven't been doing it right the whole time. Let's see if I can do all this one-handed. This Intex filter, the best way to take it apart is, oops, loosen the ring first. There we go. I'm going to let some water come out. Unspin this. Let it overflow. Make sure you always flip all that stuff upside down. Rinse your O-ring off. Drop your filter in. Push it snug down. And if I'm smart, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to get that cap back on. Hang tight. Alright, I got the filter back in. And this filter is not supposed to be able to... I've got a homemade in-ground pond swimming pool here. Go backwards on my videos and you can see this full 21 part build. But what's going on here is I'm sucking water out of the pond into the 5-gallon bucket that has a filtration media, which I have a video showing that. And then come out of the 5-gallon bucket into this Intex filter, and then it returns up to a waterfall up there. But I discovered I have a backwash feature for my 5-gallon bucket that I didn't know I had. And I wasn't really demonstrating what I was, I wasn't able to, I made a couple of mistakes before in the previous video, so I'll show you what I mean about that. Right now, the pond is just draining right now. But if I shake the 5-gallon bucket up, clean the top off, see if we can get some stuff stirred up. Actually, the pool's been staying very clean, so I may not have a lot of debris that pops out. Nope, it's not going to show because the pond's not really all that dirty. So there's not a lot of bad stuff going to pop up like leaves and great big sticks and things. Let me cap this off. Okay. And we'll fire it up. It's a good filter. Again, this pump is designed to penetrate the side walls of an above ground pool, and that's its design. It's dependent on water always coming to it, and it will process and filter it and send it back up. In my situation, I'm actually siphoning water out of the pond into a 5-gallon bucket, and that acts as the delivery method to this pump. But unto itself, it's a really good unit. I highly recommend it. It's inexpensive and it does a great job. Turn the pond on. It comes with a timer on the power supply. I'm just going to rotate it to 10 hours. Again, look it up if you want. Look at my previous videos. But this thing comes with a 0 to 10. And it has electronics in it, a timer circuit that it'll come on at the same time every day. Based on when you rotate this switch, it'll run for the designated amount of time. Let's say you turn it on at noon and you set it for 2 hours. It'll run for 2 hours and come back on again at noon the next day. Or if you go to 10 hours, the same thing. So I'm going to power it on. And there we go. And it's really quiet too. You can hardly hear the thing run. There's more noise coming from the water than there is the pump. It's not pulling hardly any current either. That's the amount of noise it generates. There's nothing going on there. Again, this topic was about that cartridge filter. I think it's applicable in most all instances. If you have a swimming pool filter with a cartridge filter and you want to, I think I've cycled that filter in and out of that pump 7 times since I first posted a video about wrapping landscaping fabric around it as an experiment. That's the same filter. It looks beautiful. It's still in great shape. My pond is doing really well. I'm getting materials to enable me to vacuum the bottom. The tree life is reflecting green down on it all the time, so it's real hard to show any justice to the pond / pool. But anyway, you guys have a great day. See ya.